Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Park study 100 to 150 MCQs. Famous Shakarpariya Park is located in Famous Shakarpariya Park is located in Islamabad. 2. FATA comprises of agencies. 7 agencies. FATA comprises of dash. FATA comprises of 7 agencies. Answer is 7 agencies. 103. Mangala Dam is located in AJ and K. Mangala Dam is located in AJ and K. 4. The capital of Gilgit Baltistan is Gilgit. The capital of Gilgit Baltistan is answer is Gilgit. 5. Who was the first commander in chief of Pakistan Army? Who was the first commander in chief of Pakistan Army? Answer is General Frank Messervy. General Frank Messervy. 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 General Frank Messervy. 6. Name the cricket stadium which is located in Khyber Agency and inaugurated by General Rahil Sharif in November 2016. Name the cricket stadium which is located in Khyber Agency and inaugurated by General Rahil Sharif in November 2016. Answer is Shahid Afridi Cricket Stadium. Shahid Afridi Cricket Stadium. 7. The shortest serving governor in Sindh history is The shortest serving governor in Sindh history is answer is Justice retired Said U Zaman Siddiqui. Justice or Said U Zaman Siddiqui. 8. Benazir Bhutto was born on dash. Benazir Bhutto was born on 21st June 1953. 21st June 1953. 9. When the Constituent Assembly passed the objective resolution. When the Constituent Assembly passed the objective resolution. Answer is 12th March 1949. 12th March 1949. 10. Who abrogated 1956 Constitution? Who abrogated 1956 Constitution? Answer is Iskandar Mirza. Iskandar Mirza. 11. In which constitution bicameral legislature was provided for the first time? In which constitution bicameral legislature was provided for the first time? Answer is 1973. 1973. 12. Pakistan's national flag was prepared by dash. Pakistan national flag was prepared by Amiruddin Kadwai. Answer is Amiruddin Kadwai. Amiruddin Kadwai. 13. Government of India Act 1858 was passed on Government of India Act 1858 was passed on 2nd August 1858. 2nd August 1858. 14th. Who was the victory of India at the time of partition of Bengal? Who was the Viceroy? Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of partition of Bengal? Answer is Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon. 15. The capital city of Gilgit-Baltistan is. The capital city of Gilgit-Baltistan is. Answer is Gilgit. 16. Number of houses of Pakistan's Majlis-e-Shura or parliament is. Number of houses of Pakistan's Majlis-e-Shura or parliament is 2. 2. Abdur Rahman Chughtai was attached with the art of. Abdul Rahman Chughtai was attached with the art of painting. With the art of painting. 18. Name the language in which the Holy Quran was translated for the first time in India. Name the language in which the Holy Quran was translated for the first time in India. Answer is Persian. Persian. 19. In which year was OIC founded? In which year was OIC founded? Answer is 1969. Answer is 1969. 120. What is the total area of FATA? What is the total area of FATA? Answer is 27,220 square kilometer. 27,220 square kilometer. 21. The headquarters of Air Force is located in. The headquarters of Air Force is located in Islamabad. Islamabad. 22. The range of Ghari 1 is dash. The range of Ghari 1 is 1200 to 1500 किलोमीटर. 1200 से 1500 किलोमीटर. 23. Tell the name of Chief of Staff of Pak Army who died in uniform. Tell the name of Chief of Staff of Pak Army who died in uniform. Answer is General Mohammad Ziaul Haq and General Asif Nawaz. General Mohammad Ziaul Haq and General Asif Nawaz. 24. In which of the following city National Defense University is located? In which of the following city National Defense University is located? Answer is Islamabad. Islamabad. 25. Lords of the Khyber is written by. Lords of the Khyber is written by. Answer is Andre Singer. Andre Singer. 26. Chowk Yadgar Peshawar commemorates the heroes of the dash. Chowk Yadgar Peshawar commemorates the heroes of the 1965 Indo-Pakistan War. 1965 Indo-Pakistan War. 27. How many divisions are there in Sindh? How many divisions are there in Sindh? Answer is 7. Answer is 7. 28. Clifton Beach is located in dash. Clifton Beach is located in Karachi. Answer is Karachi. 29. How many brags are there in Sindh? How many brags are there in Sindh? BARRAGAS. Brackets are there in sin. Answer is 3. 30. Largest city of Pakistan is dash. Largest city of Pakistan is Karachi. Answer is Karachi. 31. Pakistan Air Force Day is celebrated on dash. Pakistan Air Force Day is celebrated on 7th September. Answer is 7th September. 32. K2 is present in which mountains range? K2 is present in which mountains range? Answer is Karakoram. Karakoram. 33. Baltoro Glacier is located in. Baltoro Glacier is located in. Answer is Gilgit-Baltistan. Gilgit-Baltistan. 34. The Hindu Kush range starts at the. The Hindu Kush range starts at the Pamir Platian. Pamir Platian. Pamir Platian. 35. Which is the highest peak of Himalayas range in Pakistan? Which is the highest peak of Himalayas range in Pakistan? Answer is Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat. What is the height of Broad Peak? What is the height of Broad Peak? Answer is 8,051 meter. 8,051 meters. 37. The naval headquarters is located in. The naval headquarters is located in Islamabad. 38. In FATA, the tribal laws and judiciary function is looked by the dash. In FATA, the tribal laws and judiciary function is looked by the Jirga Federal Government and Tribes Council. Jirga Federal Government and Tribe Council. 39. Kotli is famous city of. Kotli is famous city of AJ&K. AJ&K. 40. Polo game originated from dash. Polo game originated from Iran. Answer is Iran. 41. The Indian Consuls Act Minto Morley reforms was enacted into law in dash. The Indian Consuls Act Minto Morley reforms was enacted into law in 1909. Answer is 1909. 42. Who is the current chief of Pakistan Army Staff? Coastal Pakistan. COAS. Who is the current chief of Army Staff? COAS Pakistan. Answer is General Qamar Javed Bajwa. 43. Name the Pakistan's surface-to-surface ballistic missile which is capable of delivering multiple warheads using multiple independent re-entry vehicle technology. Name the Pakistan surface-to-surface ballistic missile which is capable of delivering multiple warheads using multiple independent re-entry vehicle MIRV technology. Answer is Ababil. 44. Where did Benazir Bhutto die? Where did Benazir Bhutto die? Answer is Rawalpindi. Rawalpindi. 45. Who was Muhammad Ali Bogra? Who was Muhammad Ali Bogra? Answer is Prime Minister. Prime Minister. 46. When Ayub Khan enforced new constitution in Pakistan? When Ayub Khan enforced new constitution in Pakistan? Answer is 8th June 1962. 8th June 1962. 47. In Constitution 1973, what number of seat in Senate was set? In Constitution 1973, what number of seats in Senate was set? Answer is 100 seats. 100 seats. 48. Pakistan's first coin was issued on. Pakistan first coin was issued on 3rd January 1948. 3rd January 1948. 49. Indian Independence Act was enforced on. Indian Independence Act was enforced on 15 August 1947. 15 अगस्त 1947. 50. In which year Aligarh Trusteeship Bill was passed? In which year Aligarh Trusteeship Bill was passed? Answer is 1889. 1889.